Welcome to today's episode of Unwiring Tech. Today, I'm here to discuss a very critical issue in AI development and regulation: the lack of synergy among stakeholders. From big tech companies to civil societies and government, it seems like there is a gap in how different entities collaborate and think about AI regulation. Let's begin by talking about the importance of this issue. The lack of synergy is one of the biggest barriers in responsible and effective AI development. AI impacts almost every sector, but the interests of these sectors don't always align. For instance, tech companies like Google and Microsoft are at the forefront of AI innovations. They focus heavily on profitability, scalability, and advancing technology itself. On the other hand, civil societies and policymakers often emphasize ethics, human rights, safety of their citizens, and the potential risks associated with unchecked AI growth and development. While companies like Google and Meta aim to use AI for product development and services, concerns about privacy and bias persist. These firms are profit driven and often push for innovation before fully considering the implications, leaving regulatory frameworks lagging behind. When these perspectives clash, it creates friction, halting progress. The issue is further compounded by the fact that the industry doesn't always communicate effectively with government regulators or civil society. You have players like Microsoft, Google, Meta focusing on driving AI adoption at an unprecedented pace. But the stakeholders who raise concerns about transparency, fairness, or even job displacements are not always heard. Let's dig deeper into the specific perspectives of the industry. Starting with Google, it's a leader in AI innovation with DeepMind's groundbreaking work. But they have faced major ethical concerns, particularly related to data they use for training AI models. Privacy advocates have often clashed with them over user data collection and transparency. Google's perspective has been that rapid development of AI is necessary to maintain that competitive edge globally. They often argue that regulation should be light handed, fearing that too many constraints could stifle innovation. But on the flip side, civil societies and even employees at Google have raised internal alarms. Remember the famous case where Google's AI ethics researcher, Timnit Gebru, was fired after raising concerns about AI bias? That's an example how internal corporate priorities and external civil society concerns are misaligned. And then there is Meta, formerly known as Facebook. They are pushing hard on AI for content moderation and virtual reality. But their track record with misinformation and harmful content is a massive point of contention. Meta claims that AI helps moderate hate speech and dangerous content more effectively than human moderators. Yet, civil society groups argue that their AI systems often overlook context, leading to over censorship or under censorship. That's an important perspective. What's interesting is how Microsoft had taken a slightly different stance, presenting itself as more cooperative with the government. They have supported some regulatory efforts, particularly around facial recognition, but even then the synergy is lacking. Microsoft may support regulation, but the complexity and scale of AI technology make it difficult for regulators to keep up. It's a perfect example of how the interests of tech giants and regulatory landscapes are not always in sync. Now, the perspective of civil societies often gets lost in the debate. For them, the main focus is on AI's impact on everyday people, particularly vulnerable communities and different sections of the society. Concerns range from how AI could exacerbate inequalities to how it might influence elections or job markets. These groups often feel that tech companies are not transparent enough and that there isn't enough public discourse about AI societal impact. Civil society groups are pushing for more inclusive conversations around AI ethics. They are advocating for marginalized communities who are usually affected first by AI driven changes, whether it's job automation in industries like manufacturing or biased algorithms in policing. The problem is that these groups don't have as much power or influence compared to tech companies, and they often lack the technical expertise to fully engage in these debates. So, how can we build synergy among stakeholders? What can be done to bridge the gap between industry, government, and civil societies? Building synergy will require trust and a shared framework. Firstly, transparency is the key. Tech companies must be more open about how they develop AI systems, the data they use, and the biases that might exist. This will allow civil societies to engage in meaningful discussions and push for changes without being left in the dark. In addition, creating standardized AI regulations, preferably at global level, could help. Industry leaders, civil societies, and regulators should come together to create a baseline set of ethical standards that companies must follow. This would prevent a situation where companies cherry pick regulation in regions that favor their practices while ignoring them elsewhere. And beyond policy, we need to foster better communication channels. Civil societies should have formal forums where they can present their concerns to tech companies and lawmakers. Right now, these conversations are too fragmented. Tech companies usually conduct their internal audits or create ethics board, but civil society needs to have a seat at that table too. Another important step is educating stakeholders about AI's broader implications. Many government officials and civil society members still lack a deep understanding of how AI technologies work, making meaningful discussions difficult. Promoting AI literacy across these groups could help bridge the divide. And let's not forget that we can learn from past mistakes. There are several case studies where regulatory attempts have failed due to this lack of synergy. For instance, the European Union's GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, is a well-meaning policy but has led to unintended consequences, particularly for smaller tech firms. The regulation is so complex that many companies struggle to comply, whereas larger firms like Google could afford to invest in compliance measures. This shows that without meaningful collaboration, even well-intentioned regulations can falter. That's a great example. If there is no consistent dialogue among stakeholders, regulations can backfire, causing more harm than good. We need to ensure that regulatory attempts are informed by all perspectives, especially the smaller players and marginalized voices. In the end, if we want to leverage AI for greater good, we need all hands on deck. Building synergy among stakeholders isn't just a nice idea, it's essential for the future of AI. And that's the wrap for today's episode. I hope that this conversation shed some light on how important it is to align the interests of various stakeholders in AI development and regulations. Thank you for joining me.